Hello everyone. So today I am here to discuss about the Teachment app. So about this app, free online coaching app for teachers. Teach your students online live classes. So Teachment is India's best all-in-one app for teachers, tutors and coaching institutes. It includes features like live online classes, lectures, recordings, real-time notes sharing, whiteboard functionality, online tests, charts, announcement and more. So it consumes only 11 MB to install. So here I am installing this app. So reviews also, best reviews 4.4. It will be rating is 4.4, so it consumes less than 1 minute to install. So in this app, in a nutshell, with Teachment you can conduct and record live classes, effective teaching with screen share and whiteboard, distribute recorded lectures, study materials and notes, chat with students, send reminders, assignments and MCQs test, automatic attendance. So this app is providing you automatic attendance also. So here I am opening this app now. So download is finished. Now I am opening this app. So here it will ask you for which language do you refer. So English I am referring. So after that, here there will be it will ask for your mobile number. So after entering the mobile number to continue, so it will send you the OTP. If you have that number in your mobile, so it will take OTP will take it automatically. So after that, here enter your name. Enter your name. So I am entering my name here. So if you are a student, then click on that student. If you are a teacher, click on the teacher. So here I am click on here teacher. So first you have to create a classroom here. So I am creating a classroom as BSc here and subject physics. Okay, so BSc second sem. So here it will ask for the classroom type. So I am clicking here school or college class. So after that, continue. So here summary, recordings, test, student, chart, notice board, assignment, study material. So these are all options are given here. So here for the summary, for the edit option, click on here edit option. So here physics. So after that, here I am inviting a student. So that will be linked here given, that is classroom ID. So invite students. So by using WhatsApp, now I am inviting a student. So now I have invited a student. After invitation of student, so here it will show that you have been invited by Sheikh to join classroom BSc second sem. So first here student should enroll in Teachment using this website, that is HTTP. So student will click on this, and here this one is students. So now here notification has been came here. One notification is came here. So now click on that bell icon. So here it will shows, good news, congratulations Sumi, you have been enrolled in BSc. You can now access to live classes. So after enrollment of the student, so here it shows that the BSc approval is pending here. Okay, so approval pending. So here now we'll approve that. So here it shows the notification here. So here it shows Ummi has sent you enrollment request for BSc. Click on student tab to verify them. So after that, here student join request. So click on this green link, that is right mark, to join a student here. Okay, so now student has been joined here. So here also one notification came for student. Congratulations Sumi, you have been enrolled in BSc. You can now access to live classes and much more, it shows. After that, here I came for BSc. Now I am going live. So you can add your timetable also. So this is your timetable. Add timetable. If you are taking class on Monday, click here on Monday and click the timing. What's the timing you're taking? So I am engaging here 9 to 10 a.m. for 1 hour class. You can also enroll for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday when you have a class. So here update classroom. So after that, here you can write about your teacher also. So for example, Andrews has a BS and MS in chemical engineering for King George Institute of Technology, and you can save this for adding. So about classroom also, for an example, we will cover the entire syllabus of social science like this. Okay, what you are teaching, that subject, you will write here description. So now I am going live here. So hello. So here let me see the features of this app. So after entering the go live, so here you can see the features. So here share screen, share photo, share PDF, share whiteboard, share web URL. So here we can share with the students with the screen or photo and PDF and also whiteboard. Here the whiteboard option is there. So this is our whiteboard. So here we can see the whiteboard. So this one is a pen option is there. By using pen we can write what we can. So this one is a highlighter, and eraser is also there. By using eraser you can erase these things. So here more options. So in that more options, here in the more option we can see here save, line width, colors, shapes, and so here by clicking the colors you can select the color for the pen. So if I am selecting a red, so it will red color we are writing, so erasing. So you can also text here by using text option. No, so here I can show you. Here we can also use the shapes. So here circle is there, circle. By making clear option we can delete everything what we have written in the whiteboard. And this one is the shape. Now I am selecting the circle, so this will be circle, and line. So this one is the line width of the line we can select. So this one as thick as we can select by using line width. And another shape is there. So there is a rectangle shape, and ellipse is also there. So after doing this we can clear and end the class by using end.